So let's start the class. So today we will solve some numerical example of the time of filling. Earlier we have seen the time of filling when the top gate will be applied and when the bottom gate will be applied. So if you have already seen that the time of filling of bottom gate when the mold cavity is equal to the height of total height of the screw or total height of the gating system, then the time of filling for bottom gate is 2 times of the time of filling of the top gate. So time required दो 2 टाइम्स अधिक लगता है जब बॉटम गेट से मोल्ड कैविटी फिल्ड हो रहा है और उसका हाइट टोटल हाइट ऑफ गेटिंग सिस्टम के इक्वल है. सो वी वी विल सी सम न्यूमेरिकल. लेट्स वेट. So numericals there. So the first question is, in a gating design, dimension of the cavity is given 50 25 into 10 centimeter. Means this one is the dimension of the mold cavity filled by a top gate. The mold cavity is filled by the upper gate on the mold with a pouring height of 15 centimeter. Means the height of the pouring is 15 centimeter and the cross section area of the gate is 5 centimeter square. Calculate the time taken to fill the cavity. So time taken to fill the cavity, and it will be situated at the top. So we will let me define that this one is the time of filling, or we can say the time of filling. So time of filling when the top gate will be applied is the situation is shown in the by the figure here. This one is the total height 15 centimeter given to the question. The area of the gate is 5 centimeter square, and the mold dimension or the mold cavity dimension is given. This one is a 50 centimeter. This one is a 50 centimeter. The width is 25 and the height is 10 centimeter. This height is 10 centimeter. So for solving this question, you have known that when the top gate is applied, the time of filling will be the volume of the mold divided by area of gate into the velocity at the gate point. So by this equation, we by this formula we can easily we find the time of filling for the top gate. So the time of filling of the top gate, the volume is 50 into 25 into 10 centimeter, and the area of the gate is 5 centimeter. The area of the gate is 5 centimeter square. So 5 centimeter square I have written here, and root under, and velocity of the gate, velocity at the point of gate, this point velocity will be where v2, or we can say vg, both are equal to root under 2 times acceleration due to gravity into the total head up to the gate point. So total head is equal to 5 centimeter. So we can write it 5 centimeter. Here you know that g is the acceleration due to gravity and is equal to 9.8 meter per second square, but the all the dimensions are in the centimeter cube. देखो, this one is the centimeter cube. Here is written centimeter cube, here is written centimeter. So this 9.8 meter per second square is now equal to meter को 100 से multiply कर देंगे, then it will be equal to centimeter. So this one is equal to 9 पॉइंट हट जाएगा 9.81 होता है. सो वी कैन टेक इन, सो वी विल कंसिडर 981 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड का स्क्वायर. सो if we put all this parameter, volume and G का value 9 point, G का value we have taken. So this one is equal to 50 into 25 into 10 by 857. This the whole things will be 857.32, and the time required is equal to 14.58 second. Better, it is better that you have a calculator with you and solve the question and confirm the answer that it will be equal to 14.48 or not. You have the calculator, everybody. I'm asking that you have the calculator or not.
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ, आप लोग के पास कैलकुलेटर है ना? नहीं है तो मोबाइल
Yes,
में
sir.
कैलकुलेटर होगा,
Yes, sir.
लेकिन साथ में सॉल्व करना और आंसर कंफर्म करना जरूरी है। नहीं तो हमको ऐसा लगेगा केवल हम ही पढ़ाई पढ़ रहे हैं और हम ही सीख रहे हैं और आप लोग नहीं सीख पा रहे। सो बेटर है कि आप लोग भी थोड़ा थोड़ा, वॉइस नॉट कमिंग, इज इट माई वॉइस इज कमिंग, माई वॉइस इज ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आबिद, हेलो एवरीवन।
Yes, sir.
क्या हुआ जी, आप लोग हैं यहाँ कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
सुनील कुमार महतो,
Yes, sir.
हेलो,
Yes, sir.
आर यू देयर और नॉट?
Yes, sir. I am there.
सर आपको आवाज
I'm
नहीं
there.
सुनाई दे रहा है शायद।
ओहो शिट। हेलो, मेरी
हेलो।
आवाज आ रही है अभी?
यस सर।
आवाज आ रही है? अभी तक आवाज नहीं आ रही थी?
आवाज आ रही है सर।
ठीक है, तो आप अपने पास कैलकुलेटर रखिए और मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। So this one is the first question where time of filling for the top gate is applied, and we will find the answer 14.84858 second. You have to check it. Now the another question is, in a gating design, the mold dimensions are 50 into 25 into 15 centimeter, and the area of the gate is 5 centimeter square. If the molten metal head above the gate is 15 सेंटीमीटर, गेट के above का जो हाइट है वो 15 सेंटीमीटर है, estimate the time required to fill the mold cavity by top gate and bottom gate. इसमें क्या है कि टॉप गेट और बॉटम गेट दोनों का फॉर्मूला लगाकर हमें टाइम ऑफ फिलिंग निकालना है, जब टॉप गेट रहेगा और जब बॉटम गेट रहेगा। तो let us look how the question will be. The first is the dimension of the mold is 50 centimeter into 25 centimeter, the length and width. Then height of the mold is 15 centimeter. The total height from the pouring basin to the end point of the gate is 15 centimeter. The area of the gate is 5 centimeter square. Then first condition, the condition 1, it is the top gate. So top gate का फिगर ऐसे बनेगा। So top gate निकालने के लिए मेरे पास सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है कि we have the formula volume of the mold divided by the area of the gate into the velocity at point the gate point. So we have the area of the mold into the height of the mold is the volume of the mold, total volume of the mold, and total volume of the mold is nothing but it is given 50 into 25 into 15 centimeter. Then the area of the gate is given 5 centimeter square. So 5 centimeter square we have put in. Now the velocity at point gate is not given directly, so we can find it by root under 2gh, which is the root under 2g and the head at point at the gate point. So the total head at the gate point is 15 centimeter. Look at here. It is given the total height ht is the 15 centimeter. So we have write it here the 15 centimeter, and the g will be calculated as the 981 centimeter per second square, because the all dimensions are given in the centimeter. So we are taken at the centimeter. 9.8, it is the meter per second square. So but we can calculate, we can multiply into 100 times, so meter will convert it into the centimeter. So now we solve the equation, the formula 15 20 into 25 into 15 by 5 into 171.71. This calculation will be equal to the 171.55. So now you can solve it through the calculator. It will become 21.85 second for the top gate. The time required to fill 21 second or 22 second, 21.85. So we can also be write 22 second or 21.85 second. So the condition 1 is that it is top gate, and condition 2 is the when it is the bottom gate. So everyone have to check the answer is correct or not by this formula through your calculator. Now the second term, the second part is the time of filling when it is the situated, when the gate is situated at the bottom. So let us look the height. The top gate is here. The total height is 15 centimeter, and the mold का height कितना है? Mold का height कितना है बाबू? 15 is the length, 25 is the breadth, 25 is the breadth, and the height is the 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter height is given. 50 area of gate is 5 centimeter. This is the 50. This is the 50 into 25, because it is a square portion, a rectangular portion. So it will be, this one is 50 into 25, and the height of the gate and the height of the mold is 15 centimeter. Look at the question here, it is written 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter is the height of the mold, and you see the total height from the base of the screw to the pouring basin. This means total height is also given 15 centimeter, and height of the mold is also given, mold cavity is also given the 15 centimeter. And I have told you that when the height of the mold cavity is equal to the total height of the gating system, then the time of filling is the double. The time of filling is the double from the top gate. So top gate में मेरा time लगा और filling लगा था 21.85. So bottom gate में मेरा time of filling लगेगा 2 times 21.85, and it will be equal to the 743.70 second. It is okay. So the question में थोड़ा सा ट्रिक ये था कि जो हम टोटल हाइट ऑफ द गेट इस 15 सेंटीमीटर दिए थे, और मोल्ड कैविटी का जो डायमेंशन दिए थे वो भी 15 सेंटीमीटर का दिए थे. सो दिस टू थिंग्स आर इक्वल. सो द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बॉटम गेट, the time required for filling the bottom through the bottom gate is double of the time of required for the top gate by the top gate. So the time will be required for bottom gate is 2 times of the time of filling of the top from the top gate. So it will be equal to the 43.70 second. It is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the third one, the third question of the design. These all questions are very important, and we have chosen for that. If the university will ask to solve the question, so all the questions are based on this example which I have given here. So better you have to solve with me through the calculator, or once I have solved it. You go through the my notes and solve the question. I have also written some non-solved question here. So you have to practice it at home. So the third question is, a mold has down screw whose length is 20 centimeter. स्प्रू का हाइट दिया हुआ है 20 सेंटीमीटर का. The cross section area at the base of the down screw is 1 centimeter. स्प्रू के बेस का एरिया 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. डिटरमाइन द टाइम रिक्वायर्ड टू फिल द मोल्ड कैविटी of the mold cavity of volume 1000 centimeter cube. Mold cavity, this one is the mold cavity and इसका volume है 1000 centimeter cube. Area at the gate 1 centimeter square, and the total height is 20 centimeter. It is given from the base or from the screw or the from pouring basin. It is not matter. The total height is 20 centimeter. It is given. Then you have to apply the total head is 20 centimeter. So area of gate or A3 is at 1 centimeter square. Volume of the mold cavity is 1000 centimeter cube, and HT total height is equal to HS the screw. If it is given, it will be considered 20 centimeter. So you have to find the top gate filling time will be equal to the volume of the mold by Ag into Vg. Vg is the velocity and this one is the volume. So this one is the volume. So 1000 is the volume, 1 centimeter square is the gate area, and root under 2 GST is the velocity at gate point. So this one you have already, I have told you that G का वैल्यू हमेशा जब सेंटीमीटर दिया हुआ हो तो 980 और 981 you have to consider, because it is in centimeter per second square. So if you solve the question, the time required for filling the whole mold cavity is equal to 5.5 sec or 5.05 sec, I think. You have to solve it once, then it will be better, because 100 is this one is nearly about 200, 198, and the 1000, so 5 times will be 1000 and 0.5 it will be, I think, not the 5.5.
5.05.
5.05 with the correct answer.
Yes, sir.
So you have to correct it. This is not 5.5. This will be 5.05 second. So this one is the type of question for the time filling, and it is the also a very important questions which the university will ask for how the time of filling you have calculated through the formula. Now the another important question for the screw design. So this one is here, the design a screw to avoid the air aspiration effect to deliver the liquid metal at a rate of 20 kg per second. एक स्क्रू है जो 20 kg पर सेकेंड से फ्लूइड और लिक्विड मेटल को मोल्टन मेटल को डिलीवर करता है. द डेंसिटी ऑफ द लिक्विड मेटल जो है वो 78,000 kg पर मीटर क्यूब है. डेंसिटी मतलब मास बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ द लिक्विड मेटल इज गिवन एज 7800 kg per meter cube. Now the height of the pouring basin is 9 centimeter given है. The height of the screw is 25 centimeter. Means the question is here, this one is the pouring basin, this one is the pouring basin, this one is the screw. You have to design the screw, means you have to check the dimension of the screw. Here the screw height is given 25 centimeter. You have to determine the area at point 2 and area at point 3. मतलब जब डिजाइन करने के लिए स्क्रू का बोला है तो बताना है कि हाइट ऑफ द स्क्रू, मतलब होल्ड द डायमेंशन ऑफ द स्क्रू. The height of the screw, it is a given, but you have to what the another things, the parameters, the entry point area and the gate area. Gate area means, or we can say the gate area at the base of the screw and the area at the top of the screw you have to determine. So first, we have seen the given parameter is the mass flow rate. The mass flow rate 20 kg per second is given. The density is also given 7800 kg per meter cube, and the height of the screw is 25 centimeter. The height of the screw is what, 25 centimeter, and the height of the pouring basin is 9 centimeter. So let's check how you can determine the diameter of the at the base point and at the entry point. So first you have to determine the volume flow rate, the volume flow rate of the molten metal. So volume flow rate of the molten metal कैसे निकलेगा? Mass flow rate is given. Mass flow rate is given. So if the mass flow rate is multiplied by the volume per second. Volume per second means क्या होता है कि this one is the velocity, this one is the area, this one is the continuity equation, or the volume enter at the top of the gate, top of the entry point of the screw. So this one is the velocity. If this one is the velocity and this one is the area, तो एरिया का डायमेंशन मीटर स्क्वायर और वेलोसिटी का डायमेंशन मीटर पर सेकेंड. सो दिस वन इज इक्वल टू द मीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. And density, when we multiply into the density, it will be equal to mass flow rate. Mass flow rate है kg per second, kg per second. So इसको हम इससे डिवाइड कर देंगे मास फ्लो रेट को kg पर सेकेंड से, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम और मीटर क्यूब और सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. So this one is equal to q dot and this one is equal to a1 v1, or we can say av, and the continuity equation is will be considered here because the how much liquid is goes here, it will be all be comes to the base. So if this q can be determined by mass flow rate by the density, it will be equal to mass flow rate is given 20 centimeter, 20 kg per second, and this one is equal to 7800 kg per meter cube. So we will calculate, all the dimensions are given in the centimeter. So 7800 kg per meter cube को हम अगर डिवाइड कर दें, ये मीटर क्यूब को डिवाइड कर देंगे 100 को 3 टाइम्स से, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू द सेंटीमीटर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू this is I have calculated. So you have to check once again. This one is the 2564.1 centimeter cube per second. So mass flow rate, once we have checked, once we have determined, then simply this mass flow is entered q dot here, and this one also the exit at point 3. So this one is we calculated the continuity equation. From the continuity equation, the q is entered here and q is out here, both are equal. So q dot is equal to a2 v2. सबसे पहले हम at point 2 पे लगाएंगे, तो मेरे पास क्या है कि वेलोसिटी हम निकाल लेंगे √2gHc से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो हाइट होगा, हेड होगा, वो hc होगा, मीन्स द पोरिंग बेसिन का हाइट जो 9 सेंटीमीटर गिवन है, 9 सेंटीमीटर, and a2 is the area which I don't know. So first we can determine the a2 area at q by v2, and v2 is equal to 2 into 981 into 2 into 981 into 9, because the height of the pouring basin, and the mass flow is 2564.1. So this one is equal to the 19.29 centimeter square the area at point 2 is the area at point 2 is equal to this point. The area will be calculated as the 19.29 centimeter squared. And if the area have determined, let us consider that d2 will be the diameter of the at point 2. So diameter agar hai or if the dimension is the circular, so we can find it pi by 4 d square, or we can say d2 ka square is equal to 19.29. So d will be calculated 19.29 into 4 times 4 will be goes here, a pi will be goes over, and this d square will be go under the under root. So 4.95 centimeter will be the dimension or the diameter at the point D2. So D2 we have to determine, because we have to determine for the dimension of the sprue, because the question has asked the design of a sprue you have to determine. So design of the sprue में हमको diameter at the entry point मिल गया, and the similar fashion Q will be applied at point 3. A3 V3 is also equal to the Q, or the intervolume per second. So area can be calculated. Area is only unknown. V3 you have to determine by this formula. V3 is equal to root under 2g by total head. Total head is at point 3 will be the H sprue height and the pouring basin height. So total height is equal to 9 plus 25, and it will be equal to 34. 9 plus 25, and so we can calculate it by the calculator, and the A3 will be 9.92, and if the diameter is D3 at the point of entry, at the point of base of the sprue, so pi by 4 dq, and d square and d3 can be calculated, and it will be the 3.55 centimeter. So you have seen that the diameter of the sprue at the base is the smaller, and the dimension at the entry point is the little bit bigger. So it's the dimension of the sprue is the cut conical section, or we can say it will be a tapered section. So the velocity will be rise, and so that the air aspiration effect will be recovered, because the dimension will be slowly be, or the cross section area will be slowly be decreasing, and the velocity will be increases, so that the air aspiration can be neglected, so that you can be find the dimension of all the points at point entry and the exit. So our purpose is over, and the dimension and height is given. So the total height d2 d3 and the height of the sprue is given. So it is the dimension or the design of the sprue. So all the parameters are now determined. The next question is the question number 5. Let's check the question and read one. In a particular mold design, the sprue has an area of cross section 6.45 centimeter square एरिया है वेयर द पोरिंग बेसिन मीट द स्क्रू, मतलब पोरिंग बेसिन जहां स्क्रू से मीट करता है वहां का एरिया गिवन है 6.45 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. कहने का मतलब है इट इज द एंट्री पॉइंट ऑफ द स्क्रू. नाउ द स्क्रू इज 20 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग. स्क्रू का हाइट है 20 सेंटीमीटर. द फ्लो रेट ऑफ द मोल्टन मेटल इज 825 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. फ्लो रेट जो है Q is the flow rate, or we can say A into V, माने area into velocity. मतलब जो flow rate है वॉल्यूम पर सेकेंड is 820 सेंटीमीटर cubic centimeter per second. Determine the height of pouring basin and the area of the screw at bottom. Means the question कह रहा है कि आपका इसका हाइट नहीं दिया है, स्क्रू पोरिंग बेसिन का हाइट ऑफ द स्क्रू गिवन है 20 सेंटीमीटर. फिर आपका A2 इज गिवन 6.45. तो इस पॉइंट का एरिया A3 और वी कैन से एजी एरिया ऑफ गेट निकालना है, और हाइट ऑफ द स्क्रू इसको निकालना है. सो कैसे निकलेगा? दिस वन इज गिवन, A2 is given, Q is given, HS is given. You have to determine HC, this one HC, and this A3. So it is very easy to solve only through the continuity equation, or we can say that the mass flow rate, or we can the volume flow rate at entry at this point is exit at point 3. So Q3 A2 V2 is equal to A3 V3 is equal to Q dot. So फर्स्ट हम एट पॉइंट 2 पे अप्लाई करते हैं, तो A2 V2 is equal to AQ3 Q dot और वॉल्यूम फ्लो रेट. सो V2 can be determined because the area of the velocity, area of at point 2 is given and the height of the pouring basin is not given. So velocity यहाँ से निकल जाएगा. So this one is 127.13 एंड जब वेलोसिटी निकल गया मेरे पास एट पॉइंट 2 का, तो हेड मेरा HC है, HC हेड है, तो √2 GHC एट पॉइंट 2. सो यहां से मेरा HC निकल जाएगा जब वेलोसिटी मेरा यहां से निकल गया. सो HC कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड थ्रू दिस कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन. सो इट विल बी इक्वल टू 8.237. यू हैव टू चेक वंस इट इज करेक्ट. Now apply the continuity equation at point 3. अब क्या है point 3 पे, मतलब at the base of the screw we have to apply the continuity equation because the total volume in the volume flow rate enter at the entry point and exit point will be same. So you can check it that the height of the screw is given, the volume flow rate is this. A3 area नहीं given है, यहाँ पे हमको area निकालना है. So √2 GH is the V3. सो अब हमको पोरिंग बेसिन का हाइट पता है, वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड 8.23 एंड HS इज गिवन, मतलब हाइट ऑफ द स्क्रू इज गिवन. सो यू कैन इजीली भी कैलकुलेट दिस A3, द एरिया एट द बेस ऑफ द स्क्रू. दिस वन इज इक्वल टू 3.45 सेंटीमीटर. इट इज ओके. नाउ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज फॉर योर होम असाइनमेंट. The question is said that a 20 centimeter long screw का height है 20 centimeter. The area of the cross section
20 है सर, 200 है सर.
200 है, ठीक है, 200 है. इसको सॉल्व करना घर पे, हम कल चेक करेंगे ऑनलाइन क्लास में. 200 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग है स्क्रू का हाइट. द एरिया ऑफ द क्रॉस सेक्शन 650 mm का स्क्वायर है. दिस वन इज द mm, दिस वन इज द सेंटीमीटर. Where the pouring basin meets the, मतलब एंट्री पॉइंट का एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन है. The down screw discharge rate through the screw is the discharge rate क्या है, mm के क्यूब पर सेकंड है. 6.5 into 10 to the 5 mm cube per second. This one is actually the volume flow rate, Q dot. टेक द G का वैल्यू हमको 10 to the power 4 लेना है. 10 to the power 4 लेना है mm पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर. mm है इसलिए से 10 to the power 4 ले रहे हैं. डिटरमाइन द एरिया ऑफ द स्क्रू एट द बॉटम. एरिया ऑफ द स्क्रू एट द बॉटम निकालना है बाबू. मीन्स कहने का मतलब है कि दिस वन इज द पोरिंग बेसिन, दिस वन इज गिवन. So area at the bottom AG, or we can say A3. यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 3 है. So at ये हमको डिटरमाइन करना है. इसको आप हमको कल सॉल्व करके दिखाइएगा. The another question for your home assignment is like that. This one is the pouring basin. This one is the pouring basin. And this one is the screw. The total height is 35 centimeter. The molten metal goes to the mold cavity. The mold cavity is like that. This is the parting line. Mold cavity means it means in between the whole mold cavity के बीच में हम कहीं पे एक पोरिंग बेस एक गेट बना दिए हैं। इस गेट से मोल्टन मेटल जाएगा, इसमें फील्ड होगा, इस गेट अप फ्रॉम अपवर्ड। नाउ the total portion will be covered A point, B point, and this one is the riser. The height of the riser is not given here. It will be equal to, I've solved it, 15 centimeter. I think you have to consider it the 15 centimeter. Let's wait 1 second. Wait 1 minute. This one, this height is equal to 15 centimeter. So this height is 20 centimeter, this height is 10 centimeter. Calculate the filling time required to fill the entire mold cavity along with riser. This one is a riser of 15 centimeter. So determine the time of filling of entire. So you have to solve this question once, then we will give you the solution. Is it? So I have already been given the this whole notes today's materials through the Google Classroom. You may check there and solve this question 6 and this question number 7. I will discuss tomorrow. Is it okay? Now once again I am taking your attendance. After completing this numerical example, we will tomorrow class we will see the time of the filling when the fluidity will be a factor we will consider. जब fluidity एक factor को लेते हैं तब हम कैसे time of filling को निकालते हैं। दूसरा नंबर बात, एक और पैरामीटर्स जब ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, then we will see the choke area and the riser design. One important topic have still be left. This one is, that one is the riser design. Riser design के बाद the things will be, the design part will be over, and then we will calculate the solidification, the heat transfer rate or the solidification rate